how to remove and replace the hard drive on the IBM R52. So if your hard drive is getting faulty and you need to get a replacement, here's how you can replace it on this old laptop. So the hard drive is located on the side here of the laptops. So it is on the right hand side next to the DVD-ROM. So it's right there, and what you need to do is just turn it over. You need to unscrew it first. So when we got the screws out, what you need to do is you need to pull it out. So we open the cover, and from here you just need to pull this one out on both sides. It can be a little bit sticky, but just try to pull it real hard and it should pull out like that. And here is a clip, so you can just pull out this clip here. And then what you have to do is just unscrew the 4 screws to take off the cover. So there is a cylinder that you need to take out. So take it out, and then you should be able to take it off this cover. You see here. As you can see, there is a cover. So you need to take off this cover and then get a new hard drive and put the cover back in, and then we'll screw it back in. So you need to do it for the all 4. So with the hard drive, with the pins facing up like this, so it's going into the side, so you want the pin to face at the top like this, so it stay at the top facing in that way. And you're going to put the clip in, so the clips go into the screws on the side here, so it's locking in place. Over here, make sure it is also locked in place, and then we're just going to push it in. Just like so, and then just turn it over and we put the screws in. And that's it. That's how you can replace the hard drive for your IBM R52. Thank you for watching this video.